Filler words making you sound less confident, learn to replace them with powerful pauses. I have noticed so many people while talking use words like, something. These are nothing but filler words which are used only because one, you're nervous. Two, you're not sure what you want to say. Three, you're speaking so quickly that your mouth has gotten ahead of your mind and you are trying to fill time as you remember what's coming next. Now, the good news is it is possible to get rid of them with conscious practice. Next time you feel the urge to use a filler word, pause and be silent. Remember, silence isn't your enemy. It makes you appear more thoughtful rather than lost for words. Also, you're giving time to people to process what you are saying. Try this method and let me know if it has worked for you.